192, great. The first trade is profitable. So 1 second and 1,344. Today among the indicators I'm having kept the channel moving average and the Aaron. So we are going for long right now. We're going all in, as I mentioned earlier. So you can see the breakout above the Ketna midline and moving average we're having here, and strong bounce from the support at 0.58400. $192, great. The first trade is profitable. Canadian dollars and the Japanese yen right here, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, going for all the funds that we have, the setup is kind of similar to the previous one, to be honest. Again, the breakout above the Kepler midline and moving average. Aaron confirms it. Going for long. Nothing really new here. Nice. Another one. I mean, we still have to. I mean, there is still yet to go. So stay. Oh my God, I'm sorry. so stay with me. That was an accident. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, Canadian dollars in the francs. Going max. Going for short. So, guys, this is a lot more easier than the previous two. Price fails to break the resistance at 0.59592. After accumulation, price starts rolling down. So I believe that the price is going to drop to the Ketna's midline. That's why I'm selling it. Logically bounded and connected? I believe so. My head was itchy. Fiji Island. The green candle just quickly started raising, and I got scared, to be honest. Ooh, oh my! I mean, obviously the market is oversold, guys. Come on, nothing can change my mind right now. Like I swear, just going for long. Yeah, as I mentioned earlier, guys, it's obvious that market is in oversold. Indicators confirm it. We are gonna be attempting on a rebound. I mean, I expect at least to have a small bounce up. Yeah, I believe so. But sometimes we speak without thinking, and we don't really care how some phrases in the hours did sound. But once you think about any of them, you just got confused, and after that part, after you thought about it, you just can't pronounce those phrases or the vowels anymore, or you just pronounce them in another way. This is what happens to me, to be honest. So 1 second and 1,344. Okay, now Australian and United States dollars. We're going short, guys. We're going short here because the price is below the Ketna's midline. Moving average and the Aaron, they both confirmed the sell. They both confirmed the short option. Going for that. Why not? No hesitation. Here we go. $2,582 right here. Not bad. Not bad. Okay, now Australian and Japanese yen here. Go max. I believe we're gonna go short. I believe we're gonna be going for short. What did I say? Guys, I'm very tired after yesterday. I spent a lot of energy, time, money. I arrived home at 6 a.m. or something like this. Slept for a couple of hours. I was clubbing yesterday. I'm gonna be honest with you. So guys, the main reason why we're going short, because I expect right now currently a move below the moving average and possibly a break under the Ketna's midline. And here we go. Almost 5,000. $4,800 right now. I made it from 100, guys. I just realized that. You know, during the video, I'm betting. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for being with me, staying and liking me and enjoying me. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for liking this video. Thank you for going to the Telegram, the link for which is in the description below. So go there, try it. Thank you for doing all the activities that you're doing. Thank you for listening and trying. Thank you for trusting yourselves, believing yourself, believing your power, and just trying everything that you're willing to try, and you fighting for your life, fighting for your independence, fighting for your finance, fighting for your success and everything. This is what you have to be doing, guys. All the successful people, they are fighters. So keep that in mind and don't forget about it. Never. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. I love you guys.